What if the greatest skill in investing is patience? The Intelligent Investor. How Benjamin Graham taught the world to think. In the early 20th century, the stock market was a wild ocean, turbulent, seductive, dangerous. People threw money into trends, chased tips, lost fortunes. Then came a man with glasses, quiet manners, and relentless logic. His name was Benjamin Graham, and he didn't chase trends. He studied them. He didn't predict prices. He searched for value. Graham believed investing was not about speculation. It was about discipline. It wasn't gambling. It was owning pieces of real businesses at a discount. In 1949, he poured decades of wisdom into a book, The Intelligent Investor. But this wasn't a technical manual. It was a guide for how to think, how to stay rational in irrational markets, how to protect your emotions from your money. He introduced the world to Mr. Market, an imaginary business partner who came to your door each day, offering to buy or sell his shares. Some days he was euphoric, overpaying for everything. Other days he was depressed, offering pennies on the dollar. Your job? Not to follow his moods, but to take advantage of them. You see, Graham believed the market is a voting machine in the short term, but a weighing machine in the long run. If you buy quality businesses below their true worth and hold, you win. Not today, not tomorrow, but over time. He called it margin of safety. You don't just buy a good company, you buy it with a buffer. You build in room for error, for storms, for surprises. It's not exciting, but it works. Warren Buffett, Graham's most famous student, called The Intelligent Investor by far the best book on investing ever written. Why? Because it doesn't promise riches, it teaches temperament. It reminds us that your biggest risk isn't the market, it's you, your fear, your greed, your impatience. Graham's investing was stoic, calm. He made you see that wealth isn't built in a frenzy. It's built like a cathedral, brick by brick, with care, with clarity, and most of all, with time. So if you're watching this, wondering what to invest in next, pause. Ask yourself what Graham would ask. Is this business understandable? Is it undervalued? Am I protected by a margin of safety? And perhaps most importantly, can I wait? Because in Graham's world, the intelligent investor is not the fastest, not the boldest, but the one who thinks clearly when others panic. And in a world of noise, that clarity is everything. Thanks for watching.